Positive characteristics. Indispensable for home cooking. Saves dishes and time. Blends quickly and directly in the pot or jar. Easy to clean by whizzing in soapy water. Intuitive speed control based on how hard you press the button. Perfect consistency for baby food without random chunks. Easy to attach and detach the blade. Dishwasher safe. Powerful and works perfectly for both left and right hands. Makes canning and DIY food processing a breeze. Variable speed and stands up nicely. Sturdy and well made. Works great for soups, sauces, and more. Long cord provides reach and convenience. Comes with a plastic guard to prevent scratching pots. Great for making smoothies and pureeing foods. Simple to use and takes up little space. Well made, sturdy, and powerful. Good for blending in the crock pot with a plastic protector. The device is quieter than other blenders. Negative characteristics. The plastic blade guard feels cheap and may break or get lost. Splashing can occur if not careful with the immersion depth. The pan guard does not seat well and is only fine for occasional use. The blender arm, advertised as dishwasher safe, is recommended to be hand cleaned. Difficult to find the correct position for detaching and attaching the attachment. The pen guard falls off during use and may warp from heat. Not as high-powered as other blenders. The variable speed is not distinct enough. Sharp edges on the blade guard can be hazardous. Pan guard attachment may warp and fall off, no longer fitting snugly. Not as powerful as expected for some tasks. The twist-off mechanism for detaching can be difficult, especially with slippery hands. May not be suitable for blending thick mixtures like shakes with ice-frozen fruit. Some users experienced it breaking down after about a year. One user reported a malfunction where the device stopped working and broke loose small pieces of plastic. Neutral characteristics. Corded. Not battery-powered. Some find the electrical cord inconvenient when pots are hot or far from outlets. Comes with a blending jar that might not be used by everyone. It's powerful enough for most kitchen tasks, but may have limitations with very thick or frozen ingredients.